Just landed at Henri Coandă Airport in Bucharest and wondering how to get to the city centre? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll focus on the cheapest transport option from the airport to the city centre. The airport is located about 20 kilometers north of Bucharest, and the drive to the city centre usually takes around 40 minutes. While there are several transport options available, the cheapest way to get into the city is by bus. The main line is bus number 100, which conveniently takes you straight to the city centre. There is also bus number 442, which doesn't go directly downtown. Both of these options are the most budget-friendly, making them ideal if you want to save money on your arrival. Our main focus will be on bus 100, as it's the most straightforward and popular choice for travelers heading to the center of Bucharest. So, before we hop on the bus, let's go through important things you need to know about taking bus 100 from the airport to the city center. First is the ticket price. The cheapest single ticket that will get you from the airport to the city centre costs only 3 RON, which is roughly 60 cents, and it's valid for 90 minutes. If you're planning to explore Bucharest using public transport throughout the day, I recommend buying a multi-day pass. For example, a one-day pass costs just 8 RON, €1.60, a 3-day pass is 20 RON, €4, and a weekly pass is 30 RON, €6. With these passes, you can use all surface public transport, including buses, trams, and trolleybuses. Tickets that include metro access are slightly more expensive, but they're very convenient if you plan to travel across the city quickly. Second is the schedule. Bus 100 runs from the airport all the way to Piata Unirii in the city centre. During the day, it departs every 15 minutes, and at night, every 30 minutes. Third is where to find the bus. After you arrive, exit through these doors and follow the signs for public transport. First, go down one level using the stairs. Then head outside. Once you're outside, turn right and walk a few meters, and congratulations, you've reached the bus stop. And finally, how to buy a ticket. In my opinion, the most convenient way is through the 24Pay app. Simply create an account, select public transport and then Bucharest. For the 90-minute ticket, choose a metropolitan trip. Pay with your card, and that's it. The ticket is valid immediately after purchase, there's no need to activate it in any other way. Another option is to simply tap your payment card at the terminal directly on the bus. We didn't try this method ourselves, since we were happy with the app. It gave us a clear overview of how much time was left on our ticket. Keep in mind, traveling without a valid ticket can cost you 80 RON, €16. That's it. I hope you found this guide helpful. Have a great trip, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, it really supports my work.